It's a demonstration of the old Delta Milwaukee bandsaw with the back gearbox for metal cutting. Right now it's in direct drive for wood and plastics and such, and it gets about 600 RPM on the big wheel on top, which calculates to 2,200 feet per minute, which is what the book says it should have. The pulleys I just ordered from McMaster Car. They were not included with this unit when we got it, and the family's had it for quite a while. It's an old one from the school that quit having shop class. In order to run the back gear, you have to take the belt off the direct drive, shift the back gear lever up into position, install belt on the step pulleys, and I'll run the belt down to the slowest position first. Alright, that's low gear. This is too slow for my tachometer that I have to get an indication off of it. That's as slow as it goes. The gearbox seems to be a little noisy. It's been sitting dry for quite a while. I just put oil in it for the first time since I've had it, and surprised it's not leaking out all over the place. But there's the next position. And we'll drag the belt to the next step. On this model, there we go. On this model, the older ones, you can only have one belt on at a time. It's kind of obvious, I think, but the newer ones, I guess you can leave both belts on. There it is in high back gear. And then take it back out of back gear. Just go ahead and take the belt off. Wiggle the pulleys around a little bit. Back to freewheeling. Slide to direct drive. Belt back on. And there we go. Thanks for watching. Don't give me too hard a time about not unplugging it. Bye.